guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been working on this video for literal months. The clips you are about to see I have filmed since I've moved house, and it has been almost like 3-4 months now. I have now a gorgeous room which I absolutely love. It's so cozy, modern. Storing these videos for so long and working on all the process, video in it and everything. I hope you enjoy it, and let's get on with the video. Okay, here we have the literal beginning of it all. This was the day I actually moved house, and this is what my room looked like. We then spent so long ripping all the old wallpaper off the walls, and I can tell you this was a hard task. Me and my grandparents were doing it, and honestly it took us a long time, but it could have been worse. I think it was the fact that there was so much of it, and sometimes it came off in like the littlest pieces. It just kind of got really annoying. Okay, since it's actually being in the summer holidays, me moving house, I actually went on holiday with my dad, and it was a great time, but obviously it was kind of a bad time at the same time because I kind of missed my room being done a little bit. It was all okay because, as you can see, they clearly left most of it to me as well. Anyway, so it was saved. So guys, this is actually the first time me having an actual double bed. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Literally, the walls are being teared off, like, and the wallpaper still needs to come off. I think we're putting my desk up soon, which will be good, and yeah, can't wait for the transformation soon. Okay, so this is the part when it did start to get a little bit annoying. This wallpaper stuff was supposed to just peel off so smoothly. However, not for my wall. It was literally coming off in the littlest pieces and was so time consuming. We did manage to find a way in the end. You had to like soak it all, and then it like peeled off more easy, but yeah, I mean, we got it done. And the next stage was actually to sand it all, which we did do soon after. You have it on video actually. Here, as you can see, we are beginning to make my desk. We are starting to put my desk together. Oh. Okay, so I'm also having Alex drawers there, and then a chest of drawers here, and then my desk. Okay, the next few clips you are about to see is literally me building a complete IKEA vanity unit thing, I think it's called. So yeah, wish me luck. I did it eventually by myself, and I was very proud, not gonna lie. I've literally built a drawer, and I'm already clearly so proud of the builder right here, am I right? One drawer done. Basically at the minute I'm building my vanity desk. This is going actually next to my bed, so it's kind of going to act like a bedside table in a way. Editing me? Yep, you were right, Emma. It is acting like a bedside table. And the reality. I'm so confused. It literally wants me to screw something inside there. How the hell am I going to fit my hand in to do that? What? These two plastic screws, I couldn't find them anywhere, but I still don't know where you're supposed to put them. Complicated stuff. I've done it. It's just to stop it falling out. How I thought that was going to stay in, I have no idea. Oh my god, it's so tough. Hey. I'm literally turning into a DIY channel. Don't know if that's embarrassing or kind of cool. I not want to. Oh, there we go. This goes in there. And then I just built a whole freaking thing by myself. So currently this is what my room looks like. I'm literally sitting on my drawers, and with this amazing lovely view. Took the wallpaper off. Basically it left the wall like this, so we've been having to sand it and make it all smooth so we can put that coat of paint on and then get to the grey coat of paint to go everywhere, which will be a task. My bed has got this cover on it because we were sanding it just in case any of the dust flies onto my bed. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, so a bit of an update. It's quite a few days later. I don't know when I last spoke to you, but it's been about 4 days maybe is the day we are going to be painting my wall. We've already done all the grey, but we are doing like a pattern on here. So I don't know if you know, but I'll insert a picture here. You know when you put the tape, like the tape, and then you paint it in the triangle, so it's like doing like a geometric pattern on the biggish wall there. This wall here, ignore that, it had a crack in it, so it's just been filled in. But so yeah, that'll look really cool. And we are ordering my sliding doors for the wardrobe, and I don't know what else we're doing, but yeah, it's kind of awkward talking in public, so I'm So I'm currently just having a look at the lights. I don't really know, I'm not really sure what I'm going to go for yet. That could be something like this. I'm kidding. Some nice turquoise ones here, but seriously I think I'm just going to go for like a plain grey, you know, because I'm so basic. I quite like this one actually. Guys, so the men have literally just gone and my carpet has just been laid. A nice grey carpet. It's got little bits on it though, but that'll need to go. But oh my god, the room is coming together. Like, look, got my nice wardrobe doors, mirrored doors, nice grey carpet, my wall. You can see a lot better now without the bedding. This is what it looks like. and then heater, carpet. So now it's just all the furniture needs to go in, and yeah, then we'll be about nearly done. Oh my god. Also, the door is now white. It's not properly white yet because it still needs painting, but we got new doors all yesterday, so there we go. Currently in the process of my Alex drawers being built. Oh. The floor's been vacuumed now, so this is what it properly looks like, but yep, there we go. So guys, my Alex drawers have just been put up, so I now get to completely fill each and every single one of these. I also managed to fill up my chest of drawers, so all my clothes are in here now. Okay guys, so my room is actually almost finished, which is actually insane to say, but I'm just going to put a load of photos on here as I printed out around like 77 of these Polaroid type things, so I think I'm going to stick them along here, which will look really cute. So I'm going to do that now. Desk is fully in action now. Check out like one of my previous videos for a desk tour. Nice chest of drawers, which I have all my clothes in now, which is so nice. And then on top of here I just have this little test tube thing. Then I have my Alex drawers, which are like lifesaver, and my little makeup desk over here. So stick all my photos on this wall here now, and yeah, let's go. Is so annoying. I've literally ran out at the end, but I think I just might leave it like that because it's just like more memories to come, you know what I mean? It looks like. Absolutely obsessed with it. If you're wondering where they're from, by the way, they're actually from Photobox. Quite expensive, like it was a bit of a treat, but you know, they look so pretty, so I'm so happy. So that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I couldn't wish for a better room now. I absolutely love it. Hopefully you got like an idea of how like it all kind of came together and everything. Obviously there will be clips missing of like making things and stuff like that because I can't film every single thing. Just thank you so much for all the support recently. If you enjoyed it, again, make sure to subscribe down below and give it a huge thumbs up if you did. Be sure to follow all of my social medias as I'm always active over there, and hopefully it gave you maybe some room inspiration or rooms. I don't know, just anything like that. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!